But one thing that we notice is that our new page projects is not yet in the navigation menu here at the top. To add this page to the menu, we need to go back to our WordPress dashboard. So let's click on the WordPress logo in the top left here. Then we can go to Appearance and Menus. Under the most recent pages, we can click Projects, then Add to Menu. If we scroll down over here, we can see that that's been added. We can drag this up to order it. We can indent it to create a submenu. But let's drag it out for the moment, and when we're happy, click Save Menu. To see that that page has been added, let's open our website by command-clicking the link up here in the WP admin bar. Headed over to this new tab, we can see that our projects page is now edited next to our services page. If we come back to settings, let's scroll down and move our projects into a tabbed sub-item menu. Let's save again, come back to our tab, refresh, and now projects is located here in a dropdown under services. Removing any of these links in the menu is easy as well. So back to WordPress here, open any of these dropdowns, and once opened, you would remove and you could save to take this out of the menu altogether. I'm going to move projects back here and save.